Yo! What's good, guys? I'm back with another video. Today, we're gonna be doing my oil pump install and oil pan gasket on my E46. Cause all I know is when you do tunes on E46s, once you get higher up in the, like when you raise your rev limiter, if you're always pegged on the rev limiter, which I am going to be doing while I'm drifting, because I love the sound of it, your oil pump likes to shear off. So they make a billet up. Where did I put the damn button? Oh, they make a billet upgrade. This billet upgraded oil pump, really nice, expensive, but really nice. But yeah, it makes it, instead of the 1 bolt right here, it makes it these 3 and 4. So it's a 4-bolt oil pump. We're gonna be installing that today, and then we're gonna be doing the oil pan gasket because I gotta take the oil pan off, and then an oil change. Let's go get some food first because I'm starving, and then we're gonna head straight to the shop and then drain the oil, let it sit for a minute, let the car cool down, and then we're gonna start doing the oil pump. Let's get out to the car. Let's go get some food, boys. Woo! Let's go get some food. I'm about to go get some cookout. Oh yeah, if you don't know what cookout is, you're sleeping. If you don't live in North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, and I think Georgia, cookout to me is the best fast food chain, hands down. You can argue in the chat, you can go argue in the comments. I don't care, that's just my opinion. See you guys after. Food is acquired. I got my cookout, got my drink, sitting in traffic right now. But about to head to the shop, eat my food, and then I'm gonna start draining the oil. I'll see you guys when we get to the shop. Yo, so finished my cookout. Shit was delicious, I ain't gonna cap. We got the car on the lift. I'm about to start taking apart the subframe. First, I gotta put the engine crane on top of the motor, so that way I can jack it up. We got the oil, we got a new oil filter, we got the pump, we got everything we need. So hopefully this isn't gonna be a long process, but I already know with cars, you gotta like triple the time. So I'm guessing it's gonna take me about 5 to 6 hours. I hope not, but we will see. So first, let's put the engine crane on the motor, and then second, then we'll raise the car up, drain the oil. So let's get started on that. And so in the next clip, it should be engine crane on the car. Go. Engine crane on the car in 3, 2, 1. Voila. Engine crane on the car. Next step, let's get it in the air. So basically, all I have it hooked on is the engine mount thing. The engine mount hole right here where you pick up the engine. The arms right here and the arms right here is safely secure. Doesn't move, doesn't do anything. So let's go up with the car. I'm gonna drain the oil, going to start the process of lowering the subframe, and then we're gonna get the oil pan on. So now that we got the car in the air, we're going to drain the oil. We're gonna go ahead and get the pan off, and hopefully we can go ahead and start getting the oil pump off. So let's get started on that. So we got the oil draining. Let's go ahead and get started on getting the subframe lowered. So we got the oil pan out. I am a little dirty. That's the oil pan right here. I don't really see anything in it. It looks clean to me, but this is the oil pump. I don't know if y'all can see, but right here is the oil pump. This nut usually shears off. Mine's tight, surprisingly, but just to make sure that's never gonna happen again, I got the upgraded pump. So I'm gonna take it apart and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Y'all are gonna see the product when it's on. Literally all I have to do is take this nut off, pull the sprocket out, then take these nuts in the back out, take that sprocket off, put the sprocket back on after I put the cap back in. And then I put the sprocket on, make sure this is tight. And then yeah, all I gotta do. So I'll catch you guys when I'm done with that. And then I'm gonna show you guys how and what I did and what torque specs and all that shit. So we got it in. Literally it was really easy, but now it's the 4-bolt billet oil pump. This is the old one. Pulled out the actual gear for the oil pump. Here's the cap for it. I was supposed to return this to get my core charge back, but I didn't send it in time. My bad, baby, my world. But yeah, so got that right there. Now I cleaned up the block. Now I'm about to clean up the pan. I'm gonna clean it up, put my oil pan gasket on for a little bit of RTV, not much, but yeah. Then I'm gonna put it back in, bolt the subframe back up, put the wheels on, put everything back together, fill it up with oil, and then go for a test drive. I'm gonna get this done, then I'm gonna go ahead and put some RTV on the pan a little bit, and a little bit on the block, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mount it up. So I got everything back together, everything up here. Subframes back in, control arms back in. All I got to do is tighten up the coilovers on top. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put oil in it, and we're gonna raise it back up and see if there's any leaks. Hopefully not, because this is a lot of work. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to y'all guys after I put in oil and start it up, and we're gonna see if it's leaking or not. So we got fresh oil in her, and everything's tightened up. So I'm gonna start it, and then we're gonna see if there's any leaks or anything like that. So we got it up in the air. I've checked everything. I don't see any leaks at all. So I did a great job, I guess. But yeah, there's no leaks. Nothing's wrong with it. So yeah, right after this, I am thinking about going to T-Fusion. Hopefully I can get a couple buddies to come. If not, it's just gonna be me. So I'm gonna get the car back on the ground, and then I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna go ahead. Oil pressure's great, by the way, as well. Everything's good. Car's running good, so everything's great. I did a great job. Certified mechanic, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna call up a couple buddies, see if they wanna go to T-Fusion, then I'm gonna head there. My friends don't wanna go, I'm still going anyway. And then I'm gonna head to my girl's house. But right now, I hope you guys enjoying this video. Like and subscribe, please. That'd be very, very greatly appreciated. A lot more to come on this car. But yeah, I'm gonna head back to finishing this up, and then I'm gonna head to the house, change, get clean, because I am dirty. And then I'm gonna head to T-Fusion. So see you guys there. So I'm clean now. Now we at the spot. Yeah, it's really nice out here too. There's a little car meet going on. Little car meet. We're gonna look at some cars and then get back to T-Fusion, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish everything. I know this vet fast is, I don't know what. Got slicks in the back. Is that a K-swap fit or what's that? I don't know what that is. VDR racing. Ooh, I like the color on this one. On this Z3 or Z4. I don't really know my Z, but ooh, this is nice. It sounds good too. Nice little Civic SI. A-Gen. I want an A-Gen or 9-Gen. But yeah, it's really not much out here today. But yeah, here's my baby. But yeah, now I go in T-Fusion and then I'm gonna get my shit and then I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go to my girl. So we got our T-Fusion. I don't know if you can see, there you go. All it is boba. If you haven't tried boba, you're sleeping. I'm about to dip and go to my girl's house. Oh fuck, I hit my windshield. But I'm about to go head to my girl's house and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I tried to make it a longer and more detailed video than last time, because I know last time I fucked up bad. But yeah, and I'm trying to get better at filming in front of people, because that's hard as fuck. I'm not gonna cap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Keep drifting.